AI Glossary Explainer. AI, it's everywhere, from the apps on your phone to the algorithms shaping your online world. But what do terms like machine learning and neural networks really mean? In this video, we'll demystify key AI concepts so you can understand the technology transforming our lives. AI is the foundation of all we'll discuss. It describes how machines mimic human intelligence to solve problems, like recognizing faces or suggesting movies. Remember Siri or Netflix recommendations? That's AI at work, systems capable of learning, reasoning, and making informed decisions. Machine learning focuses on how machines learn from data. Imagine how Gmail filters spam or Netflix predicts what you'll watch next. Milliliter enables machines to improve without explicit programming, making it a crucial AI subset shaping our digital interactions daily. Deep learning delves deeper, using multi-layered neural networks for complex tasks like self-driving cars or facial recognition. It's like training machines to see patterns in immense data, much like how our brains recognize a friend's face amidst a crowd. Inspired by how our brains work, neural networks let machines identify patterns, be it recognizing images or converting speech to text. Think of them as building blocks enabling AI to understand and analyze information in an almost human-like way. Why do chatbots understand questions and respond, or how do translation apps convert one language to another? That's NLP. It empowers computers to communicate using human language, improving customer service and aiding seamless global conversations. From self-driving cars detecting pedestrians to medical systems interpreting X-rays, computer vision allows machines to see visual data and make decisions. It's a game changer in fields like medicine, retail, and transportation, bringing AI into the physical world. When you get instant replies from online customer support, you're likely speaking to a chatbot. Designed to simulate human conversation, these tools enhance customer experience and offer 24/7 assistance, making digital interactions seamless and efficient. Ever wonder how companies analyze massive amounts of information daily? Big data is the key. It uses AI to process and interpret trends in giant data sets, aiding decisions in everything from marketing to healthcare. Algorithms are the step-by-step rules AI follows to make decisions, such as recommending books you love or finding the fastest route to your destination. Without algorithms, machine learning and AI wouldn't exist as we know them. Sometimes AI models perform well during training but struggle in real-life scenarios. This is overfitting. It happens when the model captures noise along with patterns in the data, leading to inaccurate results in unpredictable conditions. AI isn't just a buzzword, it's shaping industries and interactions. By understanding these core terms, you're not just learning technology, you're witnessing a revolution. Stay ahead, like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the incredible world of AI. Embrace innovation and be part of the future.